Looking stylish doesn't have to be complicated. With the right techniques, you can elevate your daily fashion and beauty routine in just minutes. At Fashions Rooms, we believe great style is about simplicity, confidence, and smart choices. Let's start with beauty. A polished, everyday look doesn't need layers of makeup. Begin with a lightweight base, a tinted moisturizer or BB cream, to even out your skin while keeping it breathable. Add a soft peach blush to bring warmth and freshness to your face. Finish with mascara and a tinted lip balm for a natural glow that looks effortless, not overdone. This routine enhances your features while keeping your look clean, modern, and confident. For evenings, simplicity still wins. A two-step smoky eye can instantly elevate your look. Apply a mid-tone brown shade across the lid and blend gently into the crease. Add a darker shade to the outer corner and softly smudge along the lower lash line. Pair it with a nude lip, and you have a refined, elegant look that works for dinners, events, or nights out. Great style is often about how you finish an outfit. Try the Rule of 3 styling technique. Start with a clean base outfit. Add one statement layer, like a blazer or structured outerwear. Then finish with a standout accessory, whether it's a handbag, belt, or bold jewelry piece. This simple formula instantly adds depth, balance, and polish. For a refined everyday wardrobe, mastering the capsule look is a game changer. Focus on well-fitted essentials in neutral tones, tailored pants, clean silhouettes, timeless pieces. With just a few carefully selected items, you can create multiple looks that feel intentional and elevated every time. At Fashions Rooms, we believe style should work for your life, not complicate it. Simple steps, smart choices, noticeable results.